So for the smallest circle, the radius is 15 centimeters. And I'm converting to centimeters because it makes it easier to convert to square centimeters later on. So the area is equal to pi r squared. So plugging in r, we get 15 squared. So if we plug pi times 15 squared into our calculator, we get around 707 centimeters squared. Now for B, there are 3 possible rings that are formed. So there is a ring formed with the 60 centimeter, with the 120, and the 180 centimeter. And the way we find the rings is we subtract the area of that circle, let's say, and then you subtract it using the one before that. So if I want to find the ring for the one that has the radius of 60 centimeters, right, I'm going to find the area, plugging it into the area equation, and putting this into our calculator, we're going to get 310 centimeters squared. From now on though, I think it would be easier to use meters, but we can stick with centimeters. So now that we have the area, right? We have the area of the 60 centimeter radius circle. We can now subtract the area from before. So the true area, so let's make T or R the ring area. R is going to be equal to this minus this. So we have that minus that, which is equal to around 10,603 centimeters squared. And if we want to round, we can, or not round, if we want to put this into meters squared, we 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's around 1.06 meters squared. That's the area of the 60 centimeter. Now for the 120 centimeter, we're going to take a look at it like so. Oh, actually it wants it in your square centimeter, so disregard this. Okay. So now we have the radius of 120 centimeters. Plugging this into our area formula, we're going to get pi times 120 squared. So pi times 120 squared is around 45,239 centimeters squared. And if we want to find the area of the ring, we're going to subtract this by this. So the area of that ring is 34,636 centimeters squared. Finally, the ring with 180 centimeters as its radius, the area is going to be pi times 180 all squared. Not all squared, just 180 squared. And plugging this into your calculator, you're going to get 101,787 or 788. 788 square centimeters. And then in order to find R, you're going to subtract this and this. So your final answer for this one is going to be 67,151 centimeters squared.